Hey, creatives, welcome back to the channel. In today's videos, I'll be taking these jars and making them into stone. I picked these up from Target and they were $5 and the smaller two were 50% off. So I got them all for $7.50. Yes, they're beautiful like this, but I want to turn them into a stone look. So I pulled out my plaster of Paris here, and the only thing I have to do is mix it with water, apply it to the jars. So I have this little plastic container. I'll use it as my mixing bowl. I also have these sponge applicators. I have a small one. I also have a larger one and a small artist brush. This is what I'll be using to make my design and to add the plaster of Paris to the mixing jars. So let's go ahead and get started. So I already have a plaster in my container. I'm just adding a little bit of water. I'm going to mix it up. And I wanted to have the consistency of, say, peanut butter. This will allow it to be thick enough so when I add it to the glass containers, it will stick. I am using a smaller paintbrush to add the plaster to the glass jar. I'm doing this because I don't want it to be smooth. I want it to have some texture. So I'm using a rubbing as well as a tapping motion to get the plaster on the jars. I'm also taking the necessary precautions not to get the plaster on the bottom of the jar. I'm going to apply it to the last jar and we're going to let it set and dry, and then we'll come back for the next step. The plaster is dry on the jars, but you can still see some of the glass. So I'm going to go ahead, mix up a little bit more of the plaster of Paris and fill in all of those missed spots so I can have full coverage. I'm going to let the second coat of plaster dry overnight and we'll come back tomorrow and paint. It's the next day and the plaster is dry on all three of my jars. Now it's time for paint. I have some acrylic paint from Dollar Tree and I also have some apple barrel paint, and this is in a yellow color. I also have some bronze color paint we'll be using. So first I want to mix my white acrylic paint and I want to mix the apple barrel in it because it's more yellow than I wanted, but I do want that cream type color. So I'm just going to mix these colors to make the white a little bit more creamier. And I'm going to paint all three of my jars. Once the paint is dry, now I want to take that bronze color paint that I have here, and I have a little artist brush, and I just want to make designs or little swirling marks, and I'm actually just following some of the contours on the vases just to give it a little character. I'm really loving how this is turning out. These are really, really pretty, but you guys let me know what you're thinking. I'm going to finish up this last vase, let them dry, and we'll come right on back for the reveal. Stay tuned. I think the vases turned out absolutely beautiful. Yes, they were gorgeous like they were, but this fits my decor a little bit better, and I absolutely loved them. Let me know, what do you think, and which one is your favorite? That's going to be it for today's video. I do hope you guys have enjoyed it. If so, subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the notifications so you'll know when I upload my next video. I want to thank you all again for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.